CuZn YY1359 Humidifier Accessories. Blue by CuZn is one of the best sellers among baby absorption sleeves products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Will washable 7.5 bulbs, 43,260 lampoons C7 sidewalk precious 7.5 etc. The slim design CuZn itty bitty water filter assures you of instant, top quality water without taking up your countertop space. It works with any faucet, except for removable spray hose faucets, to filter all your water needs, providing you the best possible water for drinking, washing, brushing teeth and more. The itty bitty utilizes a combination of trace minerals, copper and zinc in the patented form of KDF, which has been tested to NSF standards 42 and 61, and catalytic coconut shell carbon. The itty bitty reduces many types of contaminants from water including chlorine, water-soluble cation heavy metals, lead, mercury, chromium VI, cadmium, etc., disinfection byproducts, THMs, herbicides, and pesticides, much the same as Mother Nature uses the earth and its minerals to cleanse water. Unlike carbon-only filters, bacteria cannot grow inside bacteriostatic CuZn filters. This travel-friendly filter also features a post-microfilter that removes sediment down to 10 microns that captures particles 15x smaller than the diameter of a single human hair. The itty-bitty should be replaced every 1,500 gallons or 1 year. If you wish to monitor the life of the itty-bitty, you may do so with a chlorine test strips, drops or tablet. The itty-bitty purifies without stripping the water of its beneficial mineral content, so performance cannot be monitored with the TDS or ppm meter.